Well, the governor said that can change pretty quickly, and he's taking new steps to keep things on track.
We decided to toughen up our quarantine from those highly infected states.
Channel 3's Matthew Campbell is here now with what you need to know if you are traveling or expecting visitors from those affected states. So, Matthew, I guess if you have relatives from California or Florida, you say, why don't you just stay at home for a while?
Yeah, that is the plan right now. And Dennis, if you do arrive from some of those states, you have to let the state know your phone number and where you plan to be quarantined. Now, if you don't comply, you could be facing a fine. Now, all of this is happening as coronavirus cases spike across the country. It was really bad this weekend in Florida, and it's not just the southern states. In just 2 weeks, 19 states have made it on the travel quarantine list due to their rates of infection. Now, those states include some big summertime spots like California and Nevada. Anyone coming in was initially asked to quarantine for 14 days. The governor says the airlines have seen a 50% increase in cancellations, so it looks like it was working to a degree, but the governor really wants to make sure that we don't see spikes again, and that's why travelers arriving from these 19 states will now need to fill out a form.
Where you're going to be staying, how you're going to be quarantining, who you are traveling with, and you'll be filling out that form and giving it to us, when you land. If we find somebody's tested positive on the flight or otherwise, makes it easier for us to track and trace.
Now, this form is still being crafted, so the governor plans to have it roll out by the end of the week, definitely before the weekend. New York, New Jersey will be doing the same thing. In fact, in New York, they have an emergency health order, and if you don't comply, you're going to get hit with a $2,000 fine in New York. Connecticut is looking at a financial penalty as well. So keep your eyes out for more states to be added to the list, because we typically get those updates on Tuesday. Live above the newsroom, Matthew Campbell, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.